In a quiet corner of the Philippines, a young boy named Man grew up with nothing, not enough food to fill his stomach. Nights were long, hunger was louder than dreams, and survival was his only goal. At just 14, he stepped into boxing ring, not for glory, but to live another day. Every punch carried desperation, every fight a chance to eat, to survive, to keep going. But survival slowly turned into something more. At 16, he went bruised small, unknown, underestimated. He lost fights, faced doubt, and carried the weight of poverty on his shoulders. Yet he kept showing up again and again. Then, one night in 2001, everything changed. A shocking knockouts, and suddenly the world knew his name. The storm no one saw coming. He did not stop their 8 divisions, world titles, global fame. But the real victory, he never forgot where he came from. He went back to lift others up. I telling this story to you because sometimes the greatest fighters are not just the ones who win in the ring, but the ones who refuse to stay down in life.